Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will start new exercise, self practice 2C. Now see the first question, simplify. Self practice 2C. First question, simplify. So what we have to do in this? Expression is given and we have to simplify that expression. 3 by 4 multiply 12 by 17. 3 by 4 multiply 12 by 17. Now see, this 4 and 12 has a common factor 4. So 4 is divided by 4 and 12 is also divided by 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So what we got? Now multiply both the fractions numerator together. 3 multiply 3 and here 1 multiply 17. So 3 3 is 9, 1 17 is 17. So what you got the answer? 9 by 17. Okay, here we are studying the multiplication of the fractions. So the numerator and denominator cancel each other. If any common factor divides the numerator and denominator, so we divide it, we simplify it by that common factor. Here 12 and 4 has a common factor 4. So we have divided both 4 and 12 by 4. Now move to the next question. 1D. 5 by 26 multiply 39 by 40. 5 by 26 multiply 59 by 40. Here you see this numerator and denominator 5 and 40 has a common factor 5, because in the table of 5 is divided by 5 also and 40 is also divided by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40. Here this 2 has a common factor 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39. Now what is left? 1 multiply 3 in the numerator place. Here 1 multiply 3, 1 multiply 3, 2 multiply 8, 2 multiply 8, that is 1 3 is 3, 2 8 is 16, 3 by 16. What is the answer? 3 by 16. Now we move to the next question, number 2. Multiply and write each answer in the simplest form. To A, multiply 9 by 16. Multiply 9 by 16 by 8 by 15. So first case I am taking here. Here many numbers are given: 8 by 15, 10 by 27, 7 by 9, 3 5 by 9. Okay, like this. So we have to multiply this 9 by 16 by these numbers one at a time. So first of all we take we are going to take this number. Suppose we are going to take this number only. So 9 by 16 multiply 8 by 15. This we consider. So see what we get. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. What you got the result? 3 multiply 1 and denominator 2 multiply 5. That is 3 1 is 3, 2 5 is 10, 3 by 10. What you got the answer? 3 by 10. Similarly next time we divide, we multiply 9 by 16 by 1 7 by 9. Second case we are going to take 9 by 16 multiply 1 7 by 9. This time 9 by 16 multiply 9 1 is 9. Convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 9 1 is 9 plus 7 16. So 16 by 9. So what we do? First we convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 9 1 9 plus 7, 16 by 9. Now see 16 1 16, 16 1 16, 9 1 9, 9 1 9. Cancel, all cancel. 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 1. That is 1. What is the answer? 1. Like this we have to do. Now we move to the next question. Question number 3. Now question number 3a. 2 3 by 8 multiply 5 1 by 5. 2 3 by 8 multiply 5 1 by 5. See how we have to do this question. Again, first we convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. What we do? We convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 8 multiply 2. 8 to the 16 plus 3, 19. 19 by 8. 8 to the 16 plus 3, 19 by 8. Multiply 5 5 to the 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. Now 2 4 is 8. 2 13 is 26. Now 4 1 is 4. 4 4 is 16. What is left? 4 multiply 13, and here the outer place 1 multiply 5. So 13 4 is 52. 52 by 5. Now convert this mixed improper fraction into mixed fraction. 5 10 is 50. 2 remainder. 10 2 by 5. What is the answer? 10 2 by 5. Now we do the question number 4b. 2 5 by 6 multiply 18 by 35 multiply 3 8 by 9. Now see how we do. Convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 6 2 is 12 plus 5 17 by 6. 18 by 35. And here 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 8 35 by 9. Now see 35 1 is 35 cancel. 9 1 is 9 9 2 is 18 cancel. Now 2 1 is 2 2 3 is 6, that is cancel. So what is left on the numerator place? 17 multiply 1 multiply 1, 3 multiply 1 multiply 1. So the answer is 17 by 3. This is the improper fraction converted into mix. 3 5 is 15, 5 2 by 3, 5 2 by 3. Okay. Now see question number 5. Ravi used 1 2 by 5 bag of soil for his garden. He is digging another garden that will need 1 by 5 as much soil as the original. How much soil will he use in total? So Ravi used 1 2 by 5 bags of soil for his garden. And he is digging another garden that will need 1 by 5 as much soil as the original. So how much soil will he use in total? So what you have to do in this question? We have to multiply the given fraction. What we have to do? We have to multiply. So Ravi used 1 2 by 5 bags of the soils for his garden. So bags of soil used for garden. Bags of soil used for garden. One 2 by 5. He is digging another garden that will need 1 by 5 as much of soil as the original. So bags of soil used by another garden. Bags of soil used by another garden. So bags of soil used by another garden is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 times of this original 1 2 by 5. Now find it. 1 by 5 multiply 5 under 5 to 7 by 5. That is 7 by 25. So 7 by 25 bags he will use it. So bags of soil used by another garden is 7 by 25. But how much soil will he use in total? Not total bags of soil. Total bags of soil used equals to previously 1 2 by 5 plus 7 by 25. That is 5 under 5 to 7 by 5 plus 7 by 25. Now we take the LCM. 5 for 25 LCM is 25. 5 5 is 7 5 is 5 5 is 25, 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 7, that is 42 by 25. 25 runs are 17. 117 by 25 bag. That is the answer. 117 by 25 bags. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will solve our next exercise, self practice 2D. Thank you for your kind attention.